Hello students, welcome to week 3. We finished week 1 and week 2. And this week we are going to be going over chapter 5, which is trait theories, and then chapter 6, which is social structural theories. And then your project topic is due this week. So let's look at that. This course, you're going to have a 5 to 7 page research paper on a criminology theory. You can pick any one that you want that's in the textbook. And then for this week, what you're going to submit is a 1/2 to 1 page written assignment discussing the criminology theory that you have picked. You must include the resources that you're using in APA citations for that. And then, so you must have a title page, you must have body and a reference page, okay? So with this is going to be the start of your 5 to 7 page paper. We're in week 3. This is due in week 8. So you just have a few weeks to work on that. And we're going to look over a couple different things too. So one of the biggest things with looking at the discussion boards, I've noticed that there's only a couple of you that have accessed those instructions and discussion boards. I just emailed those out to you guys. It's Sunday. And so you should have those. Look in your inbox, but I'm going to look at those with you right now. So with the discussion boards, the original post, that means the one that you have created, is going to be due on Thursdays to get full credit, okay? And then there is a minimum word count, so 400 words for that with at least 2 scholarly sources. One can be your book, but the other one must be a journal article, something that's not Wikipedia, a blog, a news article that gives more support for whatever you're going to talk about this week, okay? Secondly, your replies are due on Sunday, okay? Every Sunday, and they are a minimum of 200 words with 1 APA citation, and you must reply to 2. I even give you the heading up here. This helps me look to see if it's your original post or your reply. Okay, so make sure that you're adding those. The first discussion that you had was about lifestyle theories. Okay, as I'm going through those, being Sunday, and grading those, I realized that maybe some of you guys didn't access this. Okay, so moving forward, you need to make sure that you are accessing the discussion board instructions. And with that, there is also a rubrics available. And you can see each section here with your sources. If you don't have any sources, you're going to miss points. Okay, the points are up here per section. The length, and then your response, and then the timing of your post. Okay, if you're waiting until Sunday to do your original post and then answering, it's a disadvantage to the other students. Okay, so make sure that you are posting the original post by Thursday. These are required for the online courses. So let's go back to week 3. The other thing is, if you need help with APA, there is a video down here that you can access that I have created probably several semesters ago. And then also the library has all kinds of online learning videos or paperwork or even books that you guys can access as online students. Okay, so make sure that you're familiar with that APA. You're going to have discussion 2 in week 4, discussion 3 in week 6. So make sure that you're getting those done, and then you're going to see that criminology paper is going to be done. This must be an APA, and you must have enough citations and enough in-text citations. So make sure you're looking at in-text citations and headers for that. If you have any question, these links are here with this course schedule. So if you click on them just like you did the syllabi, when you click on these down here, it lets me know who's accessing those so I can see who's actually looking at those. And then same thing with the final project, you have a paper instructions for those. And then I've also provided you, it's a download. So this is a template that you can use. All that you have to do is type in where this yellow is. You just delete that and put your information in. You're going to put your title of your paper, and then you're going to start typing, and it's going to format it for you as far as spacing goes. And then the same thing here for your references. When you start putting your references in, it's going to do the hanging indentions like you're supposed to. Okay, so there's a template for your paper. Make sure that you guys are accessing those. And then the paper instructions. Okay, so that's all I have for this week. And if you have, once again, if you have any questions, come to my online office hours and I will help you with this paper.